In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an FAQ accordion on product pages in Shopify Dawn theme. If you want an easy, built-in way to display questions and answers right on your product pages, the Dawn theme makes this simple with collapsible rows. These are accordion-style blocks that expand to reveal answers, so shoppers can quickly find details without scrolling through long descriptions. No code edits are required for this method. Start in your Shopify admin. Open Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize to enter the theme editor. From the top page selector, switch to a product page template. You can use the default product template or any custom product template you've created. Make sure you're editing the template assigned to the products you want to update. Inside the editor, look at the left sidebar for the product information section. Click Add Block, then search for a block named Collapsible Row. Depending on your Dawn version, it might appear as Collapsible Content or Accordion, but the idea is the same. Add one block for each question and answer you want in your FAQ. If you don't see the collapsible option, you're likely on an older theme version or in the wrong group. Make sure you're adding the block inside product information, not a separate section, and consider updating Dawn to the latest release. Open your new block. In the heading field, type the customer-facing question. In the content or rich text area, write the answer. Keep questions concise and use the rich text tools to format the answer, add links, or include short clarifications that help buyers make decisions. Repeat this process by adding more collapsible blocks until you've covered your common questions. If you want the FAQ to appear in a particular spot, drag the blocks within the product information area to adjust their order. When you're happy with the layout, click Save. Now preview a product that uses this template. You should see your FAQ accordion beneath the core product details. Test a few questions to confirm they open and close smoothly, and check on both desktop and mobile to ensure readability. The big advantage here is simplicity. You're using Dawn's native features, no code required. The trade-off is that this approach is manual per product. If you want the same FAQ to appear across many products, consider setting up metafields and connecting them with dynamic sources in these blocks. That's optional, but it can save time as your catalog grows. That's it. You've added a clean, expandable FAQ to your product pages using the Dawn theme's collapsible rows.